In this video, I want to go over connecting accounts best practices. So as I talked about in the previous video, when it comes to cold outreach for sales in general, you want to have multiple inboxes and multiple subdomains to protect the deliverability health of your primary domain. Because once that gets damaged, you can't fix it. What does it mean if your primary domain's health gets damaged? It means that if you send an email, there'll be a higher chance that email would end up in someone's junk, spam, increasing the probability they're not going to see anything from you. So these are the best rule of thumbs to make sure that you achieve success on Flynt and in general. Number one, an email should not exceed 30 to 50 emails per inbox per day. You can absolutely exceed this if you want, but if you do that, there is a chance that the probability of health getting damaged will simply increase and accelerate. 30 to 50 is the sweet spot. On Flynt, you want to open up the number of inboxes that equal the number of steps in your outreach campaign times the number of agents. So if your outreach has 6 steps and you have 1 agent, you'd want at least 6 inboxes. If your outreach has 6 steps with 2 agents, you'd want at least 12 inboxes, so on and so forth. This just makes sure that we preserve the health of your inboxes as much as possible. And in the future, the game of cold outreach is there will be inevitabilities of you having to get more emails and new subdomains. That is just the game of cold outreach, but we want to make sure that happens less frequently as much as possible. And the only way to do that is to make sure the volume that's coming out on the daily is within a certain safe threshold.